Hi students. Focal chord. Same as parabola. Focal chord means the chord which passes through focus of the ellipse. Focus of the ellipse. Either S or S dash. This is called a focal chord. This is also a focal chord which passes through focus. That is called a focal chord. Next to double ordinate. Double ordinate. Double ordinate means what? Which passes through the point P. So this is the ellipse. This is the point P which passes through the point P and is perpendicular to the major axis of the ellipse. So this is called double ordinate. It may or may not passes through focus of the ellipse. Passes through the point P and is perpendicular to the major axis of the ellipse. This is called double ordinate. Next one is lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. See here, the double ordinate which passes through focus of the ellipse is called lattice rectum. The double ordinate which passes through the focus, either AE, 0 or minus AE, 0. So this is called lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. The double ordinate which passes through focus of the ellipse is called double ordinate. Now, the length of lattice rectum, of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a greater than b is 2b square by a. Length of lattice rectum of the ellipse, where a greater than b is 2b square by a. See, this is the ellipse. Center 0, 0. S coordinates AE, 0, AE, 0. Let the point is AE, y1, L dash AE, minus y1 are the end points of lattice rectum. So this is focus AE, 0. AE, 0. So AE, y1 and AE, minus y1 are the end points of lattice rectum. So L, AE, y1 lies on ellipse. Implies, what is the ellipse equation? X square by a square, where x is AE. A square E square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Y square by b square equal to 1 minus e square. Therefore, y square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. We have b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. If a is greater than b, implies 1 minus e square equal to b square by a square. So this is equal to b square into b square by a square. That is equal to b power 4 by a square. Implies y is equal to y1 equal to plus or y. So here y, this is y1. y1 equal to plus or minus b square by a. Therefore, L coordinates AE comma y1 b square by a. L dash AE comma minus b square by a are the ends of lattice rectum. Of course, this is also a focus S dash. If you take these coordinates minus AE comma 0. So what about this one? Minus AE comma, this is minus AE comma b square by a. This is minus AE comma minus b square by a. But you can take the length, both are same. In general, just you can take this L dash. Therefore, L dash is equal to, that is length of lattice rectum is equal to, distance between these is what? AE minus AE, b square by a plus b square by a, that is 2b square by a. So length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. And the end points of lattice rectum, AE comma plus or minus b square by a. And these are the coordinates minus AE comma plus or minus b square by a. These are the ends of lattice rectum. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. These are the end points of lattice rectum. And the length is 2b square by a. Note these points. Next one, different forms of ellipse. Different forms of ellipse. First one, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Next one, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where b is greater than a. So this is center. First one is what? Ellipse. First ellipse is like this. So first one is like this. This is here a greater than b case. Second one is, second ellipse is like this. So here it is b is greater than a. Center of ellipse is first one 0, 0. Next length of major axis. This is 2a. Length of major axis. Length of minor axis 2b. This is 2b. Next, eccentricity, root of a square minus b square by a square. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. Next, equations of directrices. X is equal to plus or minus a by a. So this is x equal to a by a, x equal to minus a by a. These are the directrices. And next, coordinates of vertices. Next one, the vertices. Vertices plus or minus a comma 0. These are the vertices plus or minus a comma 0. And the coordinates of foci plus or minus a comma 0. So these are the coordinates of foci. So they are plus or minus a comma 0. So vertices plus or minus a comma 0 and coordinates of foci plus or minus a comma 0. And equations of lattice recta means lattice rectums, actually that is lattice rectum is plural, so double. Equations of lattice recta, x equal to plus or minus ae. So this is x equal to ae, x equal to minus ae. Center 0 comma 0, length of major axis 2a, minor axis 2b, eccentricity root of a square minus b square by a square, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, vertices plus or minus a comma 0, foci plus or minus a comma 0, and equations of directrices, x equal to plus or minus a by a, and equations of vertices, x equal to plus or minus a. Now in case 2, here it is 2, center 0 comma 0, length of major axis, this is 2b, length of minor axis 2a, eccentricity, this is the root of b square minus a square by b square, length of lattice rectum, this is 2 a square by b. Equations of directrices, like y is equal to, these are directrices, y is equal to plus or minus b by a. Coordinates of vertices 0 comma plus or minus b. So these are vertices. And foci 0 comma plus or minus be. So this is focus 0 comma be, 0 comma minus be. So and what about equations of lattice recta? Lattice recta means y equal to be, y equal to minus be. Equations of lattice recta, that is equations of lattice recta. X y equal to b, y equal to minus b. So that is y equal to plus or minus b by e. Next one, in the equation of ellipse, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. A greater than b. Here I can draw the, So this is the ellipse, means first ellipse is this one, A greater than B. So center of ellipse is 0, 0. Now without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to this point. So this point, this is H, K. So without change, same ellipse you can lift and place here. So what of this H, K? That is x is equal to 0 and y equal to x equal to 0 means what? Y axis. Y equal to 0 means what? X axis. So the point of intersection of major axis and this is minor axis, that is center, that is 0, 0. What about here? X minus h equal to 0 means what? X equal to h. So this is the minor axis. Y minus k equal to 0. This is y equal to k. So this is major axis. The point of intersection is what? H, K. Okay. So this is center 0, 0. So this is what about CS is equal to AE. So this is AE, 0. CS is equal to AE. This is distance is AE. And what H, K means what? This is H units and this is K units. Therefore this is H plus AE. So S coordinates are AE, distance is K. This is also K. AE, K. Focus. Sorry, H plus. So this is what? AE and this is H. So S coordinates are H plus AE, K. These are the coordinates of focus. And what about A coordinates? A. This distance is what? A units. So this is A, or I can draw. So I can draw the in big one. Here center is what? 0, 0. This is S is AE, 0 and A is A, 0 and Z is A by E, 0. If A greater than B, center of ellipse is 0, 0. Now the same ellipse without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to this point. So this is center H, K. H, K. That means what? Distance is here H units and this is K units. So S coordinates. What about CS equal to AE? Distance also AE. So this is H plus AE. So H plus AE, and this is what? K units. K. And what about A vertices? So this distance is A units. CA is equal to A. This is also A, but it is H. H plus, so the coordinates are H plus A, K. Similarly, Z coordinate CZ is equal to what? A by E. This is also A by E, but it is H. H plus, so the coordinates are H plus A by E, K. Okay, same as S coordinates. H minus AE, K. A dash, S dash, A dash coordinates. H minus A, K. H minus A, K. And it is Z dash coordinates. H minus A by E, K. So, okay, center is H, K. H, K. Length of major axis same. Length cannot change because the same ellipse you can put here. Length is 2A. Length of major axis. Length of minor axis is 2B. Eccentricity same. Length of lattice rectum same. Okay, equations of directrices. See here, x is equal to x. H plus A by E and H minus A by E. And vertices H plus A, K, H minus A, K. Foci H plus AE, K, H minus AE, K. Okay. Now So this is S dash coordinates H minus AE comma K, and A dash coordinates H minus A comma K, and Z dash coordinates Z dash H minus A by E comma K. Now I can write center is H comma K. Length of major axis 2A. Length of minor axis 2B. Eccentricity same, root of A square minus B square by A square. Next, length of lattice rectum. So this is 2B square by A. Equations of directrices. X is equal to H plus or minus A by E. X equal to H plus A by E. X equal to H minus A by E. Coordinates of vertices. Vertices are H plus or minus A comma K. So A dash are called vertices. Coordinates of foci. H plus or minus AE comma K. Equations of lattice recta. Lattice rectums. X is equal to H plus or minus AE. So in the ellipse, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, where this is a is greater than b. Note these points. Next one, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, where b is greater than a. B greater than a. B greater than a means what? See here, same as just I can once. So the ellipse is like this. Ellipse. So this is center of ellipse is 0, 0. So this part, center 0, 0. Here h, k. Okay, na? So that means what? Here this is b greater than a. Center h, k. Length of major axis 2b. Minor axis 2a. Eccentricity b square minus a square by b square. Length of lattice rectum 2a square by b. 2a square by a square by b. Equations of directrices. So these are directrices. Okay. So center h, k. Length of major axis 2b. Minor axis 2a. Eccentricity b square minus a square by b square. Length of lattice rectum 2a square by b. Equations of equation of directrices. Equation of directrices: y is equal to k plus or minus b by a. Vertices h comma k plus or minus b, foci h comma k plus or minus b. And equations of directrices, equations of lattice rectums means lateral recta. So this is focus. What is the focus is h comma k plus b, and the h comma k minus b. So equations are y equal to k plus or minus b. These are the equations of lattice recta. Now write down problem. Find center, vertices, foci, eccentricity, length of lattice rectum, and equations of directrices. Equations of directrices of the ellipse of the ellipse 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. See, this ellipse equation reduced into standard form, dividing by 144. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Dividing both sides by 144. 9x square by 144, that is x square by 16. 16y square by 144, that is 9. Here a is equal to 4, b equal to 3. Here a is greater than b. A greater than b. So for this center is 0, 0. 0, 0. Length of major axis 8, 2a. Length of minor axis is 2b, that is 6. Now eccentricity, root of a square minus b square by a square, that is eccentricity. Where a square is a square 16, root of 16 minus 9 by 16, that is root 7 by 4. Eccentricity. Next one, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, 2 into 16, so this is 9, b square is 9, a is that is 4. 2b square by a, b square is, this is b square is 9, a is 4, so this is 9 by 2. Length of LR means length of lattice rectum. Next, vertices. Vertices, because A greater than B, that means what? The ellipse is like this. Vertices plus or minus A comma 0 plus or minus 4 comma 0, where A is 4. Next, coordinates of foci plus or minus AE comma 0, that is plus or minus A is 4, E is root 7 by 4 comma 0, that is plus or minus root 7 comma 0, coordinates of foci. Next, equations of directrices. X is equal to plus or minus A by E, that is x equal to plus or minus A is 4, E is root 7 by 4, that is plus or minus 16 by root 7. Okay, so if you want to find out equations of lattice recta, x is equal to plus or minus AE. So this is lattice rectum, x equal to AE, x equal to minus AE. So these are directrices, that is plus or minus A is 4, E is root 7 by 4, x equal to plus or minus root 7. These are all if A is greater than B. If B greater than A, just you are applying the case 2 formulas. Next one, find center, vertices, foci, eccentricity, lattice rectum, equations of directrices of the ellipse (9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. So this equation reduced into standard form. What is the standard form? X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1 form. This is reduced into this form. This is the standard form. So first you write 9x square minus 36y square plus 16y square plus 32y is equal to 92. Okay, from these two you can take 9 is taking common. X is 9, 36, this is x, 36x. So this is x square minus 4x these two 16 is taking common. Y square plus 2y is equal to 92. Okay. Now this equation 9 into x square minus 4x adding 4 subtracting 4 plus 16 into y square plus 2y adding 1 subtracting 1 is equal to 92. So this is 9 into, this is x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 16 into, this is y plus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 92. This is 9 into x minus 2 whole square minus 36 multiplying plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square minus 16 is equal to 92. Okay, so this is 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 92 plus 36 plus 16. That is equal, this is 92 plus it is 52. That is 144. 144. Again, dividing both sides by 140, 144. So this is 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square by 144 is equal to 1. Now this is x minus 2 whole square by, so this is 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by, this is 9 equal to 1. Here a is 4 and b is 3. A square, b square. Just like a previous sum, a greater than b. Now this equation is of the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1, where h is 2, k is minus 1 k is. Therefore, center is equal to h comma k. That is, this is 2, x minus 2 equal 0, y plus 1 equal 0. That is the get center. That is 2 comma minus 1. Write down. So center is eccentricity root of a square minus b square by a square. That is root of a square minus b square, 7 by 16 that is root 7 by 4. Length of lattice rectum. LR means length of lattice rectum. 2b square by a. 2 into 9 by 4. So that is 9 by 2. Next, vertices. So here the ellipse is what? Ellipse is like this. So this is center. Vertices. Vertices are h plus or minus a comma k. Where h is equal to 2. 2 plus or minus a is 4 and k is h plus k is minus 1. So if you take plus 6 comma minus 1, if you take minus 2 comma minus 1. Next, coordinates of foci. H plus or minus a comma k. Here h is 2 plus or minus a is 4, e is root 7 by 4 comma k is minus 1. So this is gets cancelled, that is 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. These are the coordinates of foci. Next one, equations of directrices. X is equal to h plus or minus a by e. Where h is equal to 2 plus or minus a is 4. E is root 7 by 4. That is 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. So this is x is equal to. So x equal to 2 plus or minus root 16 by. These are the equations of directrices. Okay, na? Write down. So there also, for this problem also you got a greater than b. If b is greater than a, just we are applying the next case. Now we try some problems. Find these: center, vertices, foci, eccentricity, length of lattice rectum, equations of directrices of the ellipse. X square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equal to 0. And next 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, and x square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. One problem. And okay, you have to try these problems. Thank you.